can do it. There you go. Hi. This is what got you into this mess. Seriously, little dude. I'm gonna put some food out for you then. Down there, and you might go down there. Huh? You might go down there a little. Oh, I think. Is that lovely? Oh, maybe you're not a chaffinch. I don't know what you are. Super tame. You're super tame. Hi. You just want food, huh? Hi. You should not be letting me get this close to you. No, you shouldn't be, really. I wonder what you are. I only have dog treats. Would that do? Would dog treats do? You want to try that? Oh, there you go.